Hey, gearheads! Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular EVs in the market, the Kia Soul EV. This compact crossover SUV has become a favorite among drivers, but there's one crucial topic we need to cover: the cost of replacing its battery. So, how much does it cost to replace a battery for a Kia Soul EV? Let's find out. The Kia Soul came to the market in 2013, but it wasn't until the second generation that we saw a completely electric vehicle. This model opened the market for something new and different that we are seeing right now. In the first year of production, around 1,500 Kia Souls were sold. That number continued to rise, and for 2022 we are still waiting for the figures. One thing's for sure, it won't go under 22,000 units. The latest generation of the Kia Soul EV has improved specifications such as a longer range and faster acceleration. With a battery of 64.0 kWh, the new Kia Soul EV can go up to 370 km/h, and it has a total power of 150 kWh with a maximum speed of 167 km/h. One common problem with the Kia Soul EV, as with most EVs, is battery degradation. The battery can lose about 50% of its capacity after a mere 3 or 4 years, but this is a problem that most EVs face due to battery technology still developing. Replacing the battery of a Kia Soul EV can be costly. A new battery can cost around $13,000 and labor costs can vary from $300 to $500. However, you can also find used batteries on the market at a lower cost, ranging from $45 to $500. Kia provides a battery warranty that lasts between 3 and 10 years, or 100,000 miles, giving buyers some peace of mind. So, there you have it, everything you need to know about the cost of replacing a battery for a Kia Soul EV. While it may be expensive to replace, the Kia Soul EV is a popular and reliable car that continues to impress. That's it for today's episode of AxleWise. Don't forget to subscribe and keep revving those engines.